Crockpot Chili, vegan and low sodium as nachos. Let's go. So in my cast iron, I'm going to start by sauteing just a couple of veggies for some extra flavor. So I have 2 yellow onions. I have half of a purple onion. I just had it left over, whatever. I threw it in there. A green pepper and a poblano pepper. And then we're going to make our spice mix while those are going. So I have half a teaspoon each of garlic powder, onion powder, paprika, red pepper, chili flakes, cinnamon. I have a teaspoon of black pepper and sugar, and a tablespoon of chili powder and cumin. A bag of frozen corn goes in the crock pot. We've got some beans. I got a can of black beans and red kidney beans that were drained and rinsed. Normally I do a can of pinto beans, but we had those crock pot beans that I made. You should go watch that recipe left over. So I put a bunch in there to load it up. We've got a 28 ounce can of crushed tomatoes, an 8 ounce can of tomato sauce, and then that blop is a 6 ounce can of tomato paste. Those are all low sodium. Then we're going to take our spice mixture, throw that bad boy in there, and then we're going to take our onions and peppers. Once those are done, stir those in, let that go for as long as you want. I'm going to put it on low for like 10 hours because I'm keeping it on all day for the Super Bowl. And oh my god, you guys, I mean, look it, just the longer it sits, the more flavorful it becomes, right? Because all those flavors just sit and they marry together and they're so delicious. But like as nachos is my favorite way to eat chili, okay? Let's just be straight up. No salt tortilla chips, 10 out of 10. Full written recipe as per usual will be linked below. Midnight Munchies and more. Jack up.
Good night kisses while he wishes and reminisces. His eyes kissing while he waits for the full moon above. Oh, ivory dove, passionate love. Listening closely, positioning my intuition for her nutrition and ambition. Get up. Like when you rise in the morning, rub your eyes in the morning through the skies in the morning. Get up. Like when you rise in the morning, rub your eyes in the morning through the skies in the morning. Get up. Hey, like when you rise in the morning, rub your eyes in the morning through the skies in the morning. Get up. Hey, like when you rise in the morning, rub your eyes in the morning.